So, University Challenge, 16, round 3. Sitting on the left is Megan, and Sam in the middle, and Brendan at the right. Okay, question 1. What name is given to the point on a planet's orbit when it is furthest from the Sun? Okay. Aphelion, not nadir. Going on. 2. What did Captain Chuck Yeager do with Glamorous Glennis in October 1947?
Broke the sound barrier.
That's correct. Did anybody know that? 3. Called Lurencha Marquez until 1975, what is the current name of the capital of Mozambique? 10 seconds. Okay, it is Maputo. 4. Which city, the capital of Limburg province in southeastern Netherlands, gave its name to a treaty agreed in December 1991 by the member states of the European Community? Nope. Anybody else? Maastricht. The Maastricht Treaty. 5. What is the name of the mathematical conjecture that postulates that every even number is the sum of 2 prime numbers?
The Goldbach conjecture.
That is correct. Did anybody else know that? 6. On a New Zealand Monopoly board, what color is used to highlight the property D Street? D-E-E Street.
Green.
Green is correct. Anybody else know that? Okay.
Never seen a Monopoly board in New Zealand Monopoly board. Really?
7. In which American sitcom are the major characters regularly seen in the Cafe Nervosa?
Friends.
Nope. It is Frasier. 8. In 1867, the USA paid Russia $7.2 million for which territory, later the 49th state, the purchase of which was known as Selwood's Folly after the Secretary of State who oversaw it? Alaska is correct.
I would have guessed that. I didn't know it, but I would have guessed it. So.
Okay. 9. In Russian, Stalin means man of what?
Steel.
That is correct. Would anybody else have known that? 10. At the end of the Boer War, the Boers found 2 states, I should say founded, 2 states which still exist in modern South Africa. Name either.
Swaziland? Or Lesotho?
Neither is
No.
right. Anybody else?
Zambia?
Nope. It's Transvaal or Orange Free State. Might possibly be that's that, but not the one that I've been.
Are they states of,
I think they mean state,
not
like
countries?
province sort of thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't. These are some of the things I find a bit hard with the questions, but it says states here. So, 11. Which Colombian Nobel laureate recounted the history of 7 generations of a Macondo family in 100 Years of Solitude?
Borges?
Nope. Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Anybody would have known that? No. 12. Suppose you had 2 fair dice. What is the probability of rolling a 7?
1/6.
That is correct. Will everybody anything else? Random first. 13. It spanned the period from September the 5th, 1793 to July 27th, 1794. And the Committee of Public Safety gave juries 2 choices, acquittal or death. What is the 3-word English name for this period of the French Revolution? No? It's called Reign of Terror. 14. Where in the body would you find the patella? Oh, who was first? Although I think Brendan was just marginally first, but
And the knee.
in the
It's
knee?
kneecap.
Yeah, okay. I'll give you the round one and everybody else. Okay,
Easy.
going on. 15. Name the stone that is inscribed with 3 languages: Egyptian hieroglyphics, cursive, Demotic, and Greek, and now resides in the British Museum. I don't know who was
So it was
first.
one of them. Yeah, could be.
Rosetta.
Rosetta Stone, and you all would have known
Yeah.
it. 16. The mineral cinnabar yields which metal?
Gold.
Nope,
Lead, maybe?
nope. Mercury. I didn't know that. I mean, I don't know any of the, or very few of these, but I didn't even know that cinnabar is a mineral. I thought it's a perfume.
Yeah, I didn't know it was.
17. It's a quote. We must leave exactly on time. From now on, everything must function to perfection. End quote. Whose words were these? Spoken to a station master and quoted in 1939. Part of the mythology that the trains always ran on time under fascist dictatorship.
Mussolini?
Mussolini's correct. Nope.
I got that.
18. What name is that of an Aryan Christian Germanic people who maintained a North African kingdom in the 5th and 6th centuries and who, under their king Gaiseric, sacked Rome in 455?
The Trojans.
Germanic. Nope. Vandals.
Oh.
19. In cytogenetics, what term describes the entire chromosomal complement of a cell, which may be observed during mitotic metaphase?
Gene.
Nope. I'm sure
Confused by the question.
you know. It's karyotype.
Oh, yep.
20. In what year was the Falklands War fought?
1984.
Close but not cigar. 1982.
Mm.
21. Another quote. In the darkening twilight, I saw a lone star hover gem-like above the bay. End quote. This was the last diary entry of which explorer, written on January the 5th, 1922 at Grytviken in South Georgia. Grytviken, if that helps. Ernest Checo, South Georgia, South Pole. 22. The Strangest Man by Graham Farmiloe is a 2009 biography of which scientist who applied Einstein's theory of relativity to quantum mechanics in order to describe the spin of an electron. In 1933, he shared the Nobel Prize for Physics with Erwin Schrödinger.
Is it like Paulie? Do you need his first name?
Paul is his first name, that's correct, but
No.
Paul Dirac.
Oh,
Dirac.
yeah, that's it.
All that. Okay. 23. Often featuring photographic illusions caused by forced perspective. Which Italian structure was begun in 1173 as the third and final structure of its city's cathedral complex? Designed to be 56 meters high, improvements to the foundations since 1990 have diminished its distinctive aberration.
Basilica?
Nope.
Mm.
It's the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Oh.
24, almost halfway through. The Boeing B-17 heavy bomber aircraft was known by what two-word epithet during the Second World War, partly in reference to its ability to defend itself?
Flying Fortress.
That's correct. Would anybody else have known it? 25. High Court Judge Peter Mahon conducted a royal commission of inquiry into which air crash that happened in 1979 in Antarctica.
Erebus.
Mount Erebus, and you would have known that too. Would you have known? So can I circle the first correct ones? 26. What is the common name for NACA, the iridescent internal layer of certain mollusk shells? Mother of pearl. 27. In what field of endeavor did New Zealander David Lowe make his mark?
Literature.
Nope. Cartoonist. 28. The world's highest waterfall is in which South American country?
Argentina?
Nope.
Colombia.
Nope.
Venezuela?
That is correct.
Yeah.
Can you move Argentina?
29. Which word can go after cast, throw, and stow to make three other words?
Away.
That's correct. You would have known that too. What about you? 30. Born in January 1932, this zoologist undertook an extensive study of gorilla groups in Rwanda before she was murdered in 1985. Name her.
Jenko.
Nope. She's still alive. Diane Fossey. 31. Lego toy company was established in which country?
Denmark.
Denmark is correct. Who would have known? 32. What is the Arabic word which literally means general of the sea? We use it to describe a naval rank.
Admiral?
That is correct. You would have, no? 33. In 1979, which movie had the tagline, "In space, no one can hear you scream"?
Alien?
That's correct. Would you have known?
Mm.
Vandals. 34. Which acid is known as oil of vitriol?
Vitriolic acid.
I would have said so too, but no, it's sulfuric acid.
Wait,
Acid.
what's vitriol?
Yeah, it's what you spew, I know, but
Yeah.
you spew. It must be sulfuric acid. Oil of petroleum. Oh,
Not
no.
hydrochloric acid.
You already got that.
Okay, 35. What is Buzz Lightyear's catchphrase?
To infinity and beyond.
That's correct. Who would have known?
Yeah.
So, Meg's first, and Sam, you would have known that? Okay. 36. What party did JFK represent?
Democratic.
No,
Too many credit.
Democratic. So, okay, Brendan would have gotten it wrong, Meg got it first, and Sam would have gotten it too. 37. What planet is closest in size to Earth? Brendan.
Mars.
Nope.
No. I would see Mars as well.
No.
Saturn?
No.
Was it Venus?
Venus.
Yeah. I knew it was either Mars or Venus, but.
Yeah. 38. What is the lowest prime number over 1,000?
Oh. 1003.
Nope.
1002.
Nope. 1009. 39. What relation was Edward VIII to George the VI?
Second cousin.
Uncle.
Brother?
Yes. Did you
Oh,
know that? Or
Oh, yeah.
I have been trying to memorize the monarchy.
I've
so I wasn't
memorised the
sure.
monarchy, but
yeah, he was
Because
the
Edward
brother.
VIII was king, and then he only was king for like a few days, or something, because he wanted
Oh,
he
you
wanted to marry a
asking me?
divorced woman or something.
Like, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah, so then
Obviously,
he abdicated.
that's what happened.
Yeah.
Mm, yes.
Oh, I can remember.
I was there. I feel like it. 40. Indian summer is a term actually describing the conditions of what season?
Fall or autumn.
Nope. Okay. Oh, last puppy. Yay. 41. A normal human body, a normal human body cell has how many chromosomes?
46.
That's correct. Who would have known that too?
Yep.
Brendan first. 42. From the Greek for hidden writing, what is the art of writing and deciphering codes called?
Oh.
Cipher.
Nope.
Encryption
Nope.
or cryptography.
That's it.
Cryptography is right, but I don't know if you can you correct your answers? No.
Well, not on the show, no.
No,
But
no.
encryption and cryptography are like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just
Yeah,
thought about it
yeah,
because
it's